Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, since we are in Puglia right now, we thought it was a great idea to have Pete go out and film some properties for us in the beautiful town of Mola di Bari. Now, if you're not familiar with Mola di Bari, it is a beautiful little fishing town right by the sea, and it is only one train stop from the very famous tourist town of Polignano Mare. Now, if you looked at the prices in Polignano Mare, you would see that they are quite expensive. However, one train stop away, the beautiful town of Mola, the prices are way more affordable, and I think it might be a lot easier to get renovations done. In any case, this is a beautiful little apartment in the historic center and very, very close to the sea, and in fact has a sea view from the balcony. Take a look.
Okay, this is the front of the property. Over here on the left-hand side is a little storage area, so I'm gonna go inside and take a look at that. Unfortunately, there's no light. I'll try and get out of the way of the light here a little bit, but it's a small storage area, and just adjoining the other entrance. Okay, now we're going into the other part of the property. Okay, this is on the first level now. Okay, and coming into what looks to be the soggiorno. It's a good sized room, nice high ceilings. It looks like there's actually plenty of light coming in through here. And looking out on to a long balcony. And it's actually got this beautiful sea view, which you can see down at the end there. Now this is interesting because this room actually adjoins this other room here. So the entire area is pretty wide. Again, it's pretty bright. It's got nice high ceilings. And it's got this beautiful floor. Look at this detail. Very, very nice. And we'll go out onto this balcony again. Looks like there's some construction going on across the way, but there's only one other balcony here between us and the sea. I'll take a few stills here of the sea view, but you look right out on the boat harbor. It's really, really beautiful. And then going the other way is see the rest of this centro storico. Very nice. Okay. And then proceeding into the rest of the house. Looks like this is a bedroom. Okay, and again, it generally seems to be in great condition. I don't see any evidence here of any kind of water leakage or anything. It's kind of a nice detail here around this door. Okay, we're going back into, looks like there's a heater here. Okay, going back into this back area, here's the kitchen. Okay, yeah, medium-sized kitchen here. There's this cabinet over here. Looks like there's some damage here to the wall. I don't know if that's from the outside or it's just the place was closed up for a while. There's a balcony here in the back with a step up, and this looks out onto the centro storico. And again, out here you've got this beautiful view of the harbor right there. It's absolutely fabulous. Okay. So that's this level.